There's like a woman behind my camera and she's on the phone, and I hope she's not like calling the security. Which, that would be fine. So I'm about to head to Nagoya to meet up with Give Me a Break Man, and he's gonna give me a haircut. I'm gonna try and like prepare a drawing, and let's see if that goes well. So I'm gonna head there now. I've never been to Nagoya before. It's about $50 for a round trip, so it's not too bad. Okay, I mean that's kind of bad, but in California it's like $40 just to go from LA to San Diego. I've been subscribed to Victor for like almost 10 years now, so the first time he called me was right after I watched his video, and it was the same setup and everything. And it was like watching the video, except it's actually talking to me, and I was like, hi. I guess, let's go.
When you pass by.
I have made it. You know, there was a list that said that Nagoya is the most boring city in Japan, and holy cow, that has not been the case at all. I'm crossing the street. This is a little bit dangerous. I'm really surprised by how cool Nagoya is. Wow. Just like, so Japan doesn't even usually have trees on its sidewalk, and look how green it is. It reminds me of being in Tokyo. You know, Osaka has some trees too, but not really too much. And Kyoto, huh. Oh my god, holy, look at, I mean, like, it's totally blurry and out of focus for you. It's actually really not even that impressive. I don't know why I'm showing you this. But man, you'll have to take my word for it that Nagoya is really cool. I'm gonna go ahead and flash some pictures in 3, 2. All right, let's go.